Hey guys, how you doing? Mr. Furtick here. It's Thursday, April 30th. Hope everybody's having a great week. Hope everybody's staying healthy, and I hope everybody is getting all of their assignments done. I'm still continuing to put out all my videos for you guys, so hope you've been watching them. And if you guys have any questions on any of the assignments, please contact me through email, phone calls, or text messages. I've been getting some of your packets, and I really appreciate you guys for handing those in. The work looks great. Just continue to please get me those packets. As soon as you guys are done with them, you can bring them back to school, or you could actually also email me them, or you could send text message pictures of the work to me as well. So whatever works for you guys, just let me know. I wanted to go over a quick lesson with you guys on Myfitnesspal, which is my food tracking app that I use. And this is something that I've been talking to you guys about for a while now. Um, and this is something that I want every single one of you guys to download, so you can actually start tracking your food on this app. And this can be downloaded on your phone, or you could actually go on your computers and you can also use this as well. So you go to myfitnesspal.com, or you go to MyFitnessPal on your phones to download this app. So on here, what I'm going to show you guys is exactly how MyFitnessPal works. Okay, so we're going to go back, so I could show you Wednesday, April 29th food log. In my food log, it has all the food that I ate for the entire day yesterday. Each one of the foods I put in tracks my carbs, my fats, my protein, sodium, sugar. So all my food gets automatically calculated. So for yesterday's totals, I took in 2,457 calories. I took in 280 grams of carbs, 53 fat, 249 grams of protein, 2,801 grams of sodium, and 101 grams of sugar. Okay, so what's cool about this is it gives you a breakdown of everything. So you have your proteins, your fats, your carbs in this scale right here. It tells you how much water you should be drinking. Okay, so we're gonna go to today. Okay, Thursday the 30th. And I'm gonna show you how it works. So you're gonna go to your breakfast, just click on add food. Okay, and now it has all of my foods that I already logged in right here that I could just check. So for instance, I had an orange. Okay, so I'm gonna click that, and then I could change how big my orange was. For instance, it was 145 grams. And you could change this. You have an option to change all of these numbers here. So I'm just going to put add checked. And boom, it's right in there already. Okay. And then for lunch, I'm going to have one of my protein shakes, which is right here. So I put a check mark here. And it's Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% whey protein, chocolate, 64 grams. And the way I know that it's 64 grams is because I weigh that on my food scale. Okay, and you could change this right here if you want. Okay, you could change all of these numbers. And now I'm going to go to add checked. And it's going to put it right into my food diary. And then I know right here, if you look at the totals right here down at the bottom, it tells me how many calories I had, how much carbs, protein, fat, sodium. So this is the best possible way for you guys to track your nutrition. I know you guys do your nutrition logs for me, which is excellent, and you can continue to do those, especially if you don't have access to the computer or this app on your smartphone. But if you do, like I said, guys, you're going to go to MyFitnessPal. Okay, you're going to download the app, or you're just going to sign up as an account on your computer, and then you're going to create a username. My username is right here. Okay, it's EJ Fertig. And you can actually add me if you want as a friend, so you could see all the foods that I eat. okay? And you can make your own profile. You can add a picture. You could edit your profile. You can put your progress pictures in here, which is pretty cool. I logged in for 1,260 days. Okay, so that's how long I've been using this for. It's been quite a while. And if you want to invite friends, you just go to invite friends right here, and you just put in their username. You send them a message, and you can invite them. All of my clients that I have are on Myfitnesspal, so I'm able to see all of their food diaries. So once you become friends with me, you can see my food diary, and you can also see mine, which is cool because then you could see all the foods that I eat, and maybe there's some food in here, that you guys would like to try out. So you have a lot of options in here. There's a database of every type of food imaginable. You could type in whatever. We could put in chicken, for instance. Okay, then search that, and then it's going to give you all different types of chicken. What I suggest you do is use the barcode on whatever food it is that you want to put in, and then you could scan it in with your smartphone, which is the easiest way to do it. If you don't have the smartphone, then you have to manually type it in. But for instance, if you want this chicken right here, it will tell me all of the macronutrients in it, and then we can change this to grams, ounces. Okay, I usually use ounces or grams for my chicken or my meat. So that's typically how I weigh out my foods. This app also lets you put in your exercise, so how much you guys exercise, strength training, your exercise notes. It's got tons of options on here that you really have limitless things that you can do. It tracks your body weight, so when you guys take your weight, you could put it in here. It keeps track of that for you. Okay. It's got a community, so you can talk to other people that have Myfitnesspal. Maybe if you have some fitness, health-related questions, you could talk to them through here as well. Lots of articles in here, like intermittent fasting, coronavirus prep, general health and fitness and diet questions, getting started. Like I said, guys, there's just so much on here. And I would really like you guys to use it, to learn how to use it, to learn how to track your food, and just get really consistent and get in a routine of using this app, because it is one of the best ones out there. And basically is the only one that I recommend. I have my own personal app that actually syncs to this app, so they work in combination with one another, which is really nice. One of my favorite things about what I do is the fact that I get to use Myfitnesspal with all of my clients, and is the best way to really get in the best shape of your life, get in the best health, is by tracking your food. Working out is very important, but 70% is your diet and 30% is your training. So I just want you guys to go over this, replay this video again. If you have any other questions, write some questions down for me. But please email me back or write me and give me your guys' username. Like I said, mine's EJ Fertig, which you see up here. And just give me your username so I can add you on there, and then you could see my food diary and see some of the things I'm doing. And then I could look at your nutrition and I could give you some suggestions on what to do. All right, guys. So I hope everybody has a great rest of their day. I'll be putting out some more videos tomorrow, and I hope everybody has a good weekend. I will talk to you guys soon.